2 of witness testimony in Donald Trump's criminal hush money trial and a big decision about whether the former president has violated the gag order issued against him. CBS News' Jessica Moore live downtown with the very latest. Jessica.
Well, Chris, prosecution witness David Pecker is back on the stand now for the second day. Prosecutors say Pecker greatly helped Donald Trump cover up any negative stories against him ahead of the 2016 presidential election. In an earlier hearing this morning, though, Judge Marchand said he'll hold off on ruling as to whether Trump violated this limited gag order against him in the case. Prosecutors say they have 10 examples of Trump violating the gag order, which prohibits him from attacking witnesses, jurors, and court staffers involved in his criminal trial, saying, quote, each of Trump's posts pose a very real threat to the proceedings. Prosecutors said Trump even violated the gag order in the courtroom hallway yesterday when he said this about key witness Michael Cohen.
Cohen is a lawyer. Wasn't very good. The things he got in trouble for were things that had nothing to do with me. He got in trouble, he went to jail. This had nothing to do with me. This had to do with the taxi cab company that he owned.
Prosecutors also pointed to a social media post Trump made on April 13th where he called Cohen, quote, a disgraced attorney and felon. Meanwhile, testimony continues in the former president's hush money trial, where he faces 34 felony counts. Prosecutors told the jury Trump orchestrated a criminal scheme to corrupt the 2016 presidential election, claiming that Trump, his then lawyer Michael Cohen, and National Enquirer CEO David Pecker conspired to hide damaging information regarding Trump's alleged sexual encounter with porn star Stormy Daniels. Trump is accused of paying Daniels money to keep quiet and then entering those payments as legal fees. The former president spoke to reporters as he entered the courtroom this morning, focusing on President Biden's lack of action over the pro-Palestinian protests happening on college campuses.
What's going on is a disgrace to our country. And it's all Biden's fault, and everybody knows it. He's got no message. He's got no compassion. He doesn't know what he's doing. He can't put two sentences together, frankly. He is the worst president in the history of our country.
In that gag order hearing, prosecutors asked the judge to hold Trump in contempt of court and fine him $1,000 for every one of those alleged violations. 10 of them they listed out. They also asked Judge Marchand to threaten Trump with jail time if he continues to violate the gag order. We're live in Lower Manhattan. Jessica Moore, CBS 2 News.
All right, Jessica, thank you. Stay with CBS 2 for continuing coverage of Trump's criminal hush money election interference trial. And tune in to CBS 2 News at 5 and 6 today for the very latest on today's court proceedings.